24 hours dry time.
I don't know what this shit is.
I think it's lint because it's something right here too, like right here. I don't.
That normally comes from.
Oh,
that's good. This is the first box that speaker was in. These speakers was in.
I mean, I bought them used from somebody else, but they was in that box. You said you didn't open them yet? So this is a screw y'all see it. Hey, why would you go with drywall screws versus wood screws?
Of course, and they have fine, right?
Yeah.
So you got two pieces of wood you want to put together.
Yep.
So you want to pull the wood together.
What's poppin'? It's KG Go Hard, and I'm back with another video. You already know what y'all about to get, man. Tune in with your boy. It's about to go crazy. We going up every day, and if you ain't like to subscribe, do so now, because it's about to jump.
All right, so I'm down here in Walmart, man, trying to get some caulk for the box, man, so we can solidify that thing and get it banging the right way. But where the hell? This Gorilla Glue heavy duty construction adhesive, that's $10. We're gonna try and do a little price comparison real quick. All right, there is different stuff here. They got liquid nails, strong durable bond, but it looks, I don't know, not as good as this one, but it says that it's only $3 a thing. And then we have liquid nails here, heavy duty, which is stronger than this one, and this one is $3.24. So price wise, you can probably get 3 of these for that price. I think I'm gonna go with this one, man. Permanent, outlast any project. I'm gonna stick with this, man. Cost effective, man. We're gonna stick to it though, man. I'm gonna go with this, man. Y'all get in the comment section and let me know what y'all would have did, man. But I'm gonna take my chances with this, y'all. It's a lot of stuff to choose from too. How you doing? What's this? All right.
My bag.
Yes, please. Thank you. All right, so we did that. Now we about to get back to it. Man. Liquid nails. I see it. I already see you. I peeked you from down the street.
In there, bro.
Yeah, I see you did your thing, man. I already know. I ain't got nothing. Hey, I got all the faith in the world in you, man.
You got liquid. Okay.
Yeah, I actually had a Gorilla Glue, but you can get 3 of them right there for that same price.
Yeah,
I figured.
exactly. That's
yeah.
all I'm telling you.
Yeah.
All right, when we get to go,
Yeah.
set.
But you think one of them is enough though?
Yeah.
Okay, bet.
Somebody tried to do it for me.
Probably. Yeah, you got it in there, man.
Okay.
That little mesh thing go back over to the screen?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
good.
it fits?
Factory.
Oh yeah,
You gonna know what's in there.
Right way. Yeah, you did that. I don't know if you watch YouTube, but yeah, I won this truck from a YouTuber, and I do YouTube every day though. You feel me? Just give you something to watch in your spare time though. All right. But yeah, all the music we putting in, it's gonna be documented on there though.
All right.
I appreciate it. I'm KG though, man.
All right. Cool.
Yep. Thank you, bro. Y'all see I damaged one of my tweeters too, just having it sitting in the back of the truck. So, it's not ruined or anything. It still plays. It never even been hooked up, but I actually pushed this in, and just so it's not, displayed, he cut it to where it can be in there and can still put the mesh back on top. So I'm trying to tell you, man, tap in with my boy. He ain't playing no game. Y'all make sure y'all reach out to him. What's that number, man? Give it to him.
743-213-0971.
743-213-0971. 0971.
24 hours a day.
24 hours a day. You'll pull up on them, or they got to come meet you?
Either or.
It was run to Walmart to come back. He already got it figured out, man. He got a plan going on. So we just went and got the liquid nails, and we finna make it do what it do, man. Straight up. Y'all ain't already liked and subscribe, man. Get in tune. Y'all see how we coming, man. Come on, man. That magnet bigger than some people's speaker. Come on, man. We just trying to come, man. You feel me? But salt and pepper slowly but surely starting to come together, man. Slowly but surely. You know what I'm saying? Trust the process.
As long as you got the little USB plug.
Yeah.
I got you.
I'm reading this liquid nails. This should say 24 hours dry time.
Yeah, we're gonna put the nails there and then put the screws that hold the nails there so that when you beat the box, whatever moves is sort of gonna ooze into those spaces. You know what I'm saying?
It's like choking somebody and they wiggling out of the wrestling move or something. Yeah. Understood. Okay.
So now we got 1, 2,
Yep. I'm gonna put them liquid nails in here, man. This box done been around for a minute. Okay. It's crazy too. I was just there. They had them right with these. They went number like $2, $2.50 or something. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know how good a quality it was, but I'm pretty sure they got the job done.
Yeah, boy.
I don't know, man. I think COVID made people start doing stuff themselves, man. Because I know for sure, if I could call somebody to come do it for me, they was doing it. Man, since I've been down here out of state and shit, man, with COVID and nobody moving like they used to, man, I've been having to turn screws. For real. Yeah, it's a learning process, though. I ain't mad at it. For real. Most definitely different, though. I'm ready to get it together, though, man. For real. I ain't gonna lie, I almost gave up on this box so many times, man, but stay down, man. Got to stay down. But these ain't no joke. These things been knocking. These boys ain't been putting pressure on everything that's been in, though. I almost messed it up. You see that? It was so close, though. I caught it, though. You feel me? I need to wash these up, too. Start acting like I care about it a little bit. You feel me? I don't really be tripping on this shit for real. With the flawless application. Yeah,
a little bit right there.
Overcut.
Yeah, but get the magnet in there.
Yeah, it's all good. It ain't that bad. On the rear. This right here, the eyesore I need to attack. Straight up. That ain't that bad though. That's alright. Yeah. I already know just from having that in there, it's gonna sound a whole lot better. For sure. just having that in there for sure.
Yeah, good on night and day, bro.
Was the tweeter in there that was the one that was in there wasn't working? Could you tell?
It wasn't hooked up. Well, that was probably the only thing that was working.
Yeah.
Honestly. Because they go through a different circuit. So now they're going to the amp. So it'll be a lot different. That's for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're going to get that caught so we can get that so that can start drying.
Part 2. About to get that second one done now. Okay, y'all see it, man. Just threw a bead in there real quick. You know what I'm saying? On these doors where it was broke. And man, we finna see what it do, man. Hopefully it solve our problem. We still gonna put some nails in there, because I did get a box of nails. If y'all didn't see that video before, y'all make sure y'all go check it out, man, where we slid through Ace Lumber, Heights Lumber, and grabbed the screws. I think they over there. Man, my boy Ali, man, down here at what's it called?
Heights Lumber.
Heights Lumber, man. He looked out for us, gave us a little knowledge, you feel me? And he subscribed to the channel, man.
Yes, sir.
Y'all come support him, man. We down here at Heights Lumber. Peace. Yeah, I think he got the screws. You say you didn't open them yet?
Let that sit for about 2 minutes.
Mm-hmm. So this is a screw y'all see. Hey, why would you go with drywall screws versus wood screws?
They, I don't know, they catch better.
I asked the guy at the store. He told me he think it's because they more coarse.
Well, drywall, they have coarse and they have fine, right?
Yeah.
So you got 2 pieces of wood you want to put together.
Yep.
So you want to pull the wood together. That's right.
Okay. Understood. I didn't know it, but I was like, man, I think he said drywall. And he was like, you made something out of wood, right? I'm like, yeah, but I think drywall what I need, though.
Yeah, because I never even read the box, but I see here it says for wood studs. They work the best. I just,
Yeah, I'm learning too, though, you know, but I'm
use.
trying to teach too at the same time.
When you build a box, this is what you use.
Okay. Yeah, I never heard that, but I'm glad I know now. Okay.
A lot of people staple boxes together.
That ain't it.
That's why that shit comes apart.
Now, what's up with this shit, though? Like, what's this, like, rhino liner type shit they got on this box? Is that a Q-bomb thing, or anybody just doing that?
No, what this is this wood, right?
Yeah.
And then they put the wood together and then they treat it. Like undercoating. That's exactly what it is, undercoating.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know the purpose of that shit. To make it look pretty?
I don't know. I mean, it do make the outside of the box more harder to fuck it up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's not carpet. Carpet won't peel off. If it get wet, it'll just, run off. But
me personally, I thought it made the
inside,
box stronger, but
for the inside, it makes the sound bounce off the walls better.
mm-hmm.
But for the outside, it's just for cosmetics.
Okay.
It don't seal it no better, because obviously a wood or a complete wood box
Yeah.
wouldn't have came apart like that at all. Not mine. Not mine.
Well, I thought it was a black. I mean, I thought it was a wood box that was sprayed with some black shit. That's not the case.
No, this is undercoat.
Yeah.
So it was a wood box put together, but with the idea that this coating is going to seal it, which it doesn't.
Okay. So they didn't seal it with nothing other than they just used that shit.
Yeah. They use that shit.
Okay.
I don't know what this shit is.
I think it's lint because it's something right here too, like right here. I don't.
That normally comes from.
Oh, that's what it is. It was this shit.
Oh, you know what that is? That's burnt up. This is the first box that speaker was in. These speakers were in?
I mean, I bought them used from somebody else, but they was in that box.
See, this shit right here is like you know how they put that pillow fab shit in there?
That's what I thought it was, yeah.
Yeah, that's what that is. Because it didn't come off the sub. Be all plastic. See? That was in the box before.
Maybe the box was sitting and had lint in it or something.
No, they put that prefab shit in there.
Oh.
And it just stuck to the speaker.
Okay.
It's on the outside.
I was looking at it when I went in the crib the first time. I didn't know what it was.
This is a broken staple.
Think it came out the truck or the box?
The box. That's what was
Yeah,
holding
they
that box
stapled
together.
it and sprayed it with that stuff.
Exactly.
That's what they did.
Instead
Put it
of
in there to hold
screwing
the
it
place.
together.
Yeah. Yep. That's it.
For sure.
That's it.
No doubt about it. Because if it was screwed, it wouldn't have came apart like that. Got it, sir. Appreciate it. So, okay, so this is what we do. Move it back. Like that, right?
The water help it dry faster, or do it help it make it easier to smooth smooth it out?
Not to stick to the bag or to your finger.
Oh.
'Cause that's what it would do.
Mm-hmm.
And it seals it, pushes it in actually.
Okay.
You don't want that shit to be closed. It don't come out.
Mm-hmm. It's safe for them to try this at home. Every time I say, every time I see somewhere, I say, don't try this at home. I don't know what to tell them, man. Try this or not.
Yeah, if you want to.
Try this at home if you want to.
I had to try, like, it took me a few times. So.
Don't expect to get it right the first time.
Not at all. Not at all. That's a perfect beat. that.
How many screws you think it'll take?
We put about 10, 15 screws on. We put the screws in.
The original two that you put in there, they still in there? Did they shake loose?
Yeah, that's not in there. It's still in there. They just didn't pull. It didn't seal.
Mm-hmm.
It didn't in there. And it went right through the base. So at least we know where the stud is.
Mm-hmm. All right.